dumping some money in place.
He's doing a he cut all those trees out that was over here for $2,000, I think it was, and hauled everything off.
I wish that thing that motherfucker right now was in the back of my yard.
Oh yeah.
This falls, what's going on in that house?
He said he'd cut all them trees behind my house for $2,600 and haul everything off. That's what I get him to do it after the first of the year.
I'm saying that John just moved out, man.
Huh?
My baby boy Jonathan, that's a Dodge Dart, he just moved out.
Did he? Huh. Oh, he made a mistake there. She'll get all that damn money.
Paying bills, man, keep you straight.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes.
On the tree.
That's a good shot. That was good.
Yeah.
He ain't hurt nothing really. Cut 2 or 3 of them things off, you'll never know it.
I gotta train them all the way up to the top anyhow.
That was a good shot. Good deal. You know, lucky it didn't land right on top of it and just lean prop up like a toothpick. That was a good deal.